In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix unable to upload images in ChatGPT. So if you are trying to upload an image, but each and every time you go to click plus here, you're supposed to get the option to upload image in the first place here. But you can see, I'm told to upgrade to get for more uploads. So this means you have exhausted your free plan for advanced option, and for you to get these advanced features, you need to go ahead and upgrade your ChatGPT to be able to upload your images. So you have an option either to wait for the minutes that are displayed on your dashboard. Alternatively, you can just go ahead and open a new account using a different email. And here now, if I go to a different account, you can see I have an option to add an image here. If I go ahead and tap on add an image or file, here I'll be taken to my computer where I can select the image that I wish and then extract the information as I want. So that's how you can fix unable to upload an image in ChatGPT. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.